Lukey, you talking to Ethan? Were you talking to Ethan? Can't see why. Why, honey? I mean, this is what happens. One day I will miss these days. Or so they tell me. I said one day I will miss these days. Where you guys are all little. Even though it's hard for mommy now. Sometimes. Not all the time. I love you guys.
Yeah, I love you too. It's Mother's Day still.
It's not Mother's Day still. I wish it was Mother's Day every day. But it's not. That's okay. We don't need to have Mother's Day every day. Anthony's 3.5. Lukey's 2. Ethan is almost 4 months.